In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw Solana from GMGN.AI. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, have your GMGN account, and if you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 30% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, if you want to withdraw Solana, what you have to do is click on top right where your account is, and then this arrow, and from here on deposit/withdraw. Then you want to click on withdraw up here, and it's going to take you to this Telegram bot over here. If you have a Telegram installed on your computer as an app, you can click start bot, but if you want to use the web version like me, click open in web, and then you're good to go. From here, the first thing you're going to have to do is basically set your withdrawal address. So if it doesn't show you this, what you have to do is hover over this and then click on start, and then you want to click on wallet, and then set withdrawal address, and you want to paste in your withdrawal address. So it says please enter withdrawal address. You can get your address. So for example, in case you're using, let's say, Phantom, you want to go to receive and then copy the Solana address, paste it in here, and then after you've pasted it, you can basically you have successfully set your export or your withdrawal address. And once you do this, you then want to hover over here, press start, and then wallet, and it's going to say over here at the very bottom, it's going to say withdraw all Solana or just withdraw Solana. You want to click on that, enter the amount, and it's going to withdraw Solana to that address. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.